These are dominoes. You will notice that there are two distinct sides on each domino in which you see some dots. These dots are referred to as pips. You can get dominoes in sets of 0 to 6 pips, sets of 0 to 9 pips, and there's also a set of 0 to 12 pips. Each of the pips is in a familiar arrangement so that it makes it easy to subbutize how many pips are on a side. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We can use the dominoes for matching activities. Here I have a double 9. I can match up a double 9 this way. I can match this way. And I can match this way. We can also use them to build numbers. We can use this to represent a 2-digit number, which would be 39. We could add another one, and now we've represented a 4-digit number, 3,931. We can also turn a domino this way, and it can represent a fraction with a numerator of 1 and a denominator of 3, and we would read this as 1/3. Or we could take a domino and put the larger amount of pips on the top as the numerator, and now we have an improper fraction, which we'd read as 9/3. These are some of the ways in which we can use dominoes mathematically.